In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. In this lecture, I am going to explain how to add inventory items in QuickBooks Desktop. We studied in accounting inventory. Inventories are goods or merchandise that we purchase for reselling purpose to make profit is called inventories. Here you can see in QuickBooks Desktop on home page items and services. You can click on it and the item list will be open, or you can bring here from bottom menu list, then click on list, then click on item list. The page of items will be open. You can click control in by creating or adding new item, or from here you can see and at the corner item, then click on item and click new, so this page will be open. Here you can choose or select the type of item. For example, if your item is service, you can choose service or inventory. So for adding an inventory item, we should select or choose inventory part. After selecting, this page will be open. Here you can write item name or number of your inventory. For example, iPhone 14 Pro Max. If this item is sub item of other items, so you can check here and choose that item. And here you can write manufacturer's part number. It's also called MPN. It's a unique alphanumeric code assigned by a manufacturer to identify a specific product or component. So you can write here that manufacturer's part number. For example, and here you can see purchase information, description on purchase transactions. So you can copy this information here and paste it. Here you can see cost. You can assign cost on which you purchase this item, iPhone 14 Pro Max. For example, $800. And here you can choose cost of goods sold account. Here you can see, and here you can choose prefer vendor from here. For example, Umarjan. And sell and the sales information, the same descriptions are here as well. You can copy here. And here you sales price, you can write sales price for your item, for example $900, and which price you want to sell out this item. And here you can choose income account, for example sales or income account. Here you can select inventory asset account, for example is inventory asset. And reorder point, minimum point of your reorder, for example five units or quantities, maximum for example 10 quantities. And here on hand, how much quantities do you have in your store or box, so you can write here for example 50 quantities. So total value automatically will be calculated here. And here is the date on which you are recording this or adding this item in your item list. Then click on OK, then click close. Here you can change or find out or rectify your spellings. For example, close it. This inventory item is saved here. You can see here inventory name, item name, description, type of inventory, type of item, sales account, and total, how much amount do you have and price of it. And here you can edit this inventory item. For example, if you want to edit, so click right on your inventory item, then click and edit, and you can edit from here. For example, I am going to change it to iPhone 13, or you can change anything else here. If you want to make inactive, so click on you right on your item, then click and make item inactive, so the item will be disappear for a long period. If you want to bring it again, so click on check on include inactive, so the item will be appear on your item list, and right click on your item, then make item active, so the item will be appear on your items list. If you want to delete your items, so before of deleting your inventory item, you should delete all the related transaction about your item. So you should go to your chart of accounts, and chart of accounts you should click on your inventory asset, double click on it, and here you can see your inventory item, for example iPhone 15 Pro Max. Double click on it, and here you can adjust type. For example, you want to adjust quantity, or you want to adjust total value, or you want to adjust quantity and total value. So here you should choose adjustment account. So choose the adjustment account of inventory asset, then click on OK, and then click Save Includes, and then click on Yes. So from here you can delete your transaction not double clicking, sorry, click on it or right, then delete inventory, adjust, then click OK. Or you can choose from here by double clicking, choosing the inventory asset, then OK, then save includes, then yes, and then click on your transaction, choose your transaction, then Control D, so your transaction will be deleted. You can see the balance is 0. So go back to your item list and delete your inventory item from here, then right click on your inventory item and delete item, then OK, so the item will be deleted. And you can see the same item and you want to delete, control, so click right on it, then delete item, and it's asked from you, are you sure want to delete this item, then click OK, so the inventory item will be deleted.